Compound nouns are words made by combining two or more smaller words to create one new word with a specific meaning. An example is bedroom, which is a room in a house where people sleep. A compound noun is a noun formed when two or more words are joined together to make a new word. The new word has a unique meaning that is different from the meanings of the individual words. There are three main types of compound nouns. The first is the closed form where the words are joined without spaces, like bedroom. The second is the hyphenated form where the words are connected with a hyphen, such as mother-in-law. The third is the open form where the words are written separately but together form one idea, for example, post office. Closed-form compound nouns are created by joining two words together without any spaces or hyphens. Some examples include bedroom, which means a room for sleeping, toothbrush, which is a brush used to clean teeth, and bookstore, which is a store that sells books. Hyphenated form compound nouns use a hyphen to connect two or more words. Examples include mother-in-law, meaning the mother of your spouse, brother-in-law, which means the brother of your spouse, and check-in, which refers to the act of registering upon arrival. Open-form compound nouns are made by placing two or more words next to each other with spaces, but together they form a new noun. Some examples are post office, meaning a place where mail is sent and received, full moon, the complete visible moon, and bus stop, a place where buses stop to pick up or drop off passengers. Compound nouns are formed by combining different parts of speech. You can join nouns, adjectives and nouns, or verbs and nouns together. The first word usually describes or modifies the second word, creating a new meaning. Compound nouns combine words to form new meanings. They can appear in closed form, hyphenated form, or open form. The correct form depends on the context. Practicing by finding and creating compound nouns in everyday language helps learning.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.